What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be fishing this Eurotackle micro finesse shrimp X. It is 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to be doing for the next probably few outings is trying to get through the rest of these lures that were sent in from my friend. But I'm going to go ahead and get rigged up and get started. Alright guys, I've been casting for 12 minutes at this point. I haven't got a single fish yet. I did get one little tiny bite, but other than that I haven't been getting any bites. No fish have picked it up or anything. So I'm going to move downstream a little bit and see if I have any more luck over there. Man, I haven't even seen a fish. Oh, there we go. Something tiny, but finally a fish. Alright, so after about 15 minutes of fishing, I finally got a tiny green sunfish. Let's let this guy go. There we go. I only got another fish. Man, fishing is tough. Alright, slow bluegill. Alright guys, so there's no way to sugarcoat this. Fishing has just been extremely tough. In the past 25 minutes I've been able to catch those 2 tiny fish. I probably got about 3 nibbles other than that. So I'm going to keep walking downstream, keep exploring, and hopefully you run into some larger fish. But so far I've been able to catch 2 fish on this lure. Alright guys, so the rough streak is continuing. I'm going to go ahead and switch out from this lure. I have caught those 2 first fish on this. Yeah, hopefully if I keep walking downstream and exploring this area where I haven't fished before yet, I'll be able to find some fish, but it's not looking good so far today. Alright. The shiny hiney. 1/16 ounce Arky. What on earth? What is that? But oh, that is why. Oh, shoot! Something had that. Man. Why did I have to miss that? There we go. Fine. Oh, come on. Whew. Nice rock bass. Alright. Alright. Second cast with a shiny hiney. Got a nice rock bass, man. Hopefully there's more fish down here and I have more luck, but let's let this guy go. Oh, there we go again. Yes. Alright, it's got a nice bluegill on the very next cast. Guy was a fighter, let's let him go. Just one of those days, guys. So that's gonna do it. I did catch 4 fish. I thought things were gonna turn around after I got that rock bass and bluegill back to back, but things definitely continue to stay bad. So I gotta go home, and I got a bunch of editing to do for clients and for myself. So that's how I'm gonna spend the rest of the Sunday. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Subscribe if you haven't. Take care.